here we are beside this beautiful waterfall. So I'm gonna do a small 9x12 study sketch of this. I'm gonna do that in oil paint, and that will end up being basically a good jumping off point for a larger painting that I'll end up doing. But it's a little bit tricky to set up here to paint, but we'll make it work. Well, there you have it. That painting's done. I think it turned out really well. So being here and being able to enjoy this beautiful location, get some fresh air, and also take some good photos, it'll lead me to do some more paintings back in the studio. And yeah, all in all, super successful, and I'm happy I came out.